But Lapu-Lapu went to the shore and dragged Magellan to go back home. Then Magellan got so much, ordered his men to come up lunch. Makalaylan we could not drag, but Lapu-Lapu is very hard. Then the battle began at dawn, bolos and spear versus guns and cannons. When Magellan was his only trick, he stumbled down and cried and cried, "Oh mother, mother, I am sick. Call the doctor very quick." Doctor, doctor,